Hello, friends! Today, we will have an extremely exciting adventure to the largest peach farms in America, where billions of peaches are grown and harvested each year. Did you know? The United States is one of the largest peach-producing countries in the world, with an output of about 620,000 tons of peaches each year. What an amazing number! Peaches in the U.S. are grown mainly in states such as Georgia, California, and New Jersey. And our first stop is California, where 81% of America's peaches are produced. Here, peach planting usually begins in late winter or early spring. Farmers will plant approximately 142 peach trees per acre. You can see farmers diligently planting these young trees, which may seem small now, but in a few years they will produce bountiful harvests. Immediately after planting, the peach trees will be pruned. This helps maximize nutrition for the roots and trunk. These are one-year-old peach trees that, throughout the life of each peach tree, require 1 to 1.5 inches of water per day to grow healthily. In addition, it is extremely necessary to clean the grass regularly to avoid pests and diseases. In 2023, up to 73,000 acres of farmland in the United States will be used to grow peaches. Every spring, peach farms will have to spray pesticides to protect the trees from pests. This is the pesticide spraying process at a peach farm in New Jersey, which annually produces about 33,000 tons of peaches. When spring comes, a series of peach blossoms bloom, creating a beautiful scene. Does anyone here like to see peach blossoms? But not all will bear fruit. Farmers meticulously prune to leave only 60% of the flowers. This helps maintain reasonable fruit density and ensure the best quality. This pruning job is very important and requires extreme meticulousness. Did you know every year up to 2,000 workers from Mexico and Guatemala come to peach farms in California to help prune the trees? Each person can prune up to 12 trees in just 30 minutes. After pruning, the peach tree's indispensable friends are these tiny honey bees. They will be sent to the farm to help pollinate the peach trees. The price to rent each colony of bees for pollination can be up to $200. Finally, after about 100 days, the peaches are ready to harvest. This is the time when farms become the busiest. Do you want to go to these peach farms and pick ripe peaches yourself? Imagine the feeling of holding a ripe peach in your hand and taking a bite, the sweetness melting on your tongue. Each harvest season, approximately 5,300 workers are hired to harvest peaches on farms in the United States. Harvesting must be done entirely by hand because peaches are easily crushed. The salary they receive is between $11 and $16 an hour. Peach is a very special fruit. Because their skin is so delicate, the entire harvesting process is done by hand, a job that looks easy but must be extremely careful. And when these peaches are picked, they are taken to factories for packaging. This is the packaging process at a factory in Georgia, where peaches are washed, sanitized, and prepared for market. Peach prices in Georgia range from 80 to 90 cents a pound. Do you see, from green fields to peach packages in the supermarket? It's an elaborate process. Did you know after about 13 to 15 years, the peach trees will be replaced by new trees? This is a never-ending cycle, yielding continuous and steady harvests. And that's the journey of peaches. So what do you think about the process of growing and harvesting peaches? Did anything surprise you? Please leave your opinion in the comments section. And don't forget, if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any journey with us. Thank you for accompanying, and see you in the next videos.